we're here. It's a beautiful day, isn't it? What a beautiful day. I've got nothing to hold on to, Phil. And there's a ball. And I'm just now unwinding. Right, let's have a look first. We're in the shops. What sort of merchandise they've got. Oh, this must be the flower and garden, yes. Oh, they're the violet lemonade ones, aren't they? And the spirit jerseys, I do very much like them. We all know I'm a bit of an addict for spirit jerseys. But we're going to have a proper shop later. Oh, my man! You got Pluto, but look, you got my man! You got the Goofster. Oh, Pluto's the other side. Oh, yay! Phil, can I have a photo with Goofy?
Yeah.
My Goofster. Such a lovely, chilled day. I think what I love best about April is the fact the weather, it's really hot, but it's a dry heat. It's not oppressive, it's not wet or humid or unbearable. It's lovely. Okay, about 3 o'clock it gets a bit sweaty. But we bought the neck fans with us, and I've not brought them out today because yesterday we didn't need them. So I suppose it's more for the humid months of July and August. But it's absolutely beautiful, the weather. Yeah, love it. The Norway bakery has opened up again. So you've got school bread, you'd love that, Phil. Sweet roll filled with custard and dipped in coconut.
Yeah.
We've never tried one, have we?
No.
So we're going to try our first school bread. Isn't it pretty in here? It's a proper bakery. Very pretty. Chocolate Pringle. Almond Pringle. And look at it, its sign is a pretzel over the door with the crest on it. How fab is that? But yeah, it's open back up again now. Very nice in there. School bread. So, we just tried the school bread.
But it also tasted a little bit sort of sanitised.
His exact words were, it tasted like the smell of a sterile hospital room.
Really off the wall, but I couldn't think of anything else in that taste area. Just
it was unusual.
It was potent.
I thought it was edible. I had 2 mouthfuls. Very coconutty, and I love desiccated coconut.
But I couldn't really taste
the custard was more like a cream than a custard.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's very different. But that's just our opinion. So try it, see what you think. It was only what, $4?
Yeah, it priced good. It was quite large as well. Yeah. So.
And everyone raves about school bread, so we had to try it. So let's go and find something else. We need some dinner.
1 down, 50 to go.
So we're at Japan. Oh, Phil, you might like. They've got the Shizan spicy red braised beef shank.
But you won't eat it.
We're sure we won't get one of them, and we'll get the vegetarian.
I'll tell you what, I'm happy with the vegetable spring rolls. I'd like to try from half a dozen places if we can. And when we did this last year, I think I went to 2 and I was completely stuffed.
All right, so we'll have the vegetable spring rolls today. They were really nice last year. I really liked these last year. And I think they came with quite a spicy sauce. So these are the vegetable spring rolls. You're gonna have a bite. Oh, and I put the chilli sauce on it.
Which I prefer, but Karen's more of a mild sauce person. You can never go wrong with a spring roll if you enjoy them. As I expected, it's lovely.
At the American Pavilion, they've actually got veggie burgers. Grilled vegetable burgers, so that's the first. Because a lot of the times, I don't really eat burgers, so a lot of the times I'll get the meat one, but I'll ask them not to give me the meat, just give me the burger and the lettuce and tomato, so that's really great. So that's really, really great. So I think we're going to get something at the smokehouse over there, and then we're going to go into the American Adventure show. We love that. The people that aren't American were very patriotic. We just had the pork slider with coleslaw at the American Pavilion. I loved this last year. I really fancy the beef brisket as well, so we might have some of that for tea. Round 2.
No, round 3 for me.
Is it round 3? Why is it round 3?
I brought the food, I got the napkins and forks, I then got the sauce.
We still haven't had a drink.
I'm not going back.
Oh dear, dear. So, we didn't realise the sauce. So, Phil's had the spice. Was yours barbecue?
Hot barbecue sauce.
Hot barbecue sauce, and I had the spicy. I thought it was looking a bit dry before. Sweet. I've had sweet.
Sauce and hot barbecue sauce.
Sweet and hot. So, we're in the England Pavilion. We are. There's Phil walking up. The Rose and Crown is over there. The Queen's table is up there. So what am I doing? Filming outside the English Pavilion? Well, first of all I need to put my glasses on because I'm squinting. But look what's in my hand. A Galaxy Ripple, because I am now going to do the taste test. I have wondered for ages if the chocolate in the UK and the chocolate here in the English Pavilion are the same. Now Cadbury's I think is different, but I love Galaxy, so let's give it a try. So Phil, are you going to hold the camera for me? Right. And I like this because it's light and it's incredibly hot. So.
Did you notice how she never offered me a bite?
It's all in my teeth. It's the same.
Do you want me to find it? Sorry?
No, it's alright, I can do the test.
But it's big enough for us to both do the taste test now?
No, you see it? No, you don't.
Yeah.
No. So, yeah, come and get it from the English Pavilion, and the Galaxy is exactly the same.
It's not fair, is it?
Bye. Bye.
No, you're not getting away with it that easily.
Bye.
Should we catch up? Okay.
Do you want a bite?
Is there any left?
Yeah, go on.
No, do you know
Half
what?
and
Go
half.
on. No,
No, go on.
go on. No, you're
If
fine.
not, I'll be sick.
No, go on. No,
you like
it's
a
fine. No, I'm fine. Promise.
So here's the Gardener's Terrace, which is the festival's main centre. So let's have a look. I've just bought the wine glass. It's very quaint.
Yeah, it's sparse but relaxing.
Let's have a look over here. Oh, this is nice. It's just cool, isn't it? With tables to sit and have a drink at. Let's have a look over here. Oh, mini pass holder, flower and garden hat. I was going to wear hats, wasn't I? But the only problem is, if I put a hat on, I lose my fringe, and then I just don't like that. I have a theory: the bigger your fringe, the smaller your nose looks. Quite like this t-shirt. It's got a little slit at the back. I think that's quite pretty. It's a very nice soft material, and that is $34.99. You've got these lovely, you'd put them in the garden, wouldn't you? You could walk on those, I suppose. Slabs. How much are those, Phil? Can you see?
Yeah.
I know you looked at them before.
Yeah, and they are heavy. They are definitely garden ornament. Yeah.
$29.99. So they're very pretty. I do like the Turvis cups, but we all know I have a bit of an addiction to Turvis, and they are $26.99, and we give it a couple of months and they'll be in the character warehouse for $7.99, I'm sure. Some beach towels, a nice little top there.
And I just wanted to let you know how much trouble we go through to find the CANNOCK.
You've got the longer green top down there. Little flowering can mug. That's nice. That'd be nice on a kitchen windowsill with a little cactus or something coming out of it. Some little flowers, lilies, pansies maybe. They've got the watering cans up here, which again are great to put fresh flowers in. And that is $16.99. Oh, Phil, I see something new. Something I haven't seen yet. Oh, it's like a drinks water bottle, isn't it?
Yeah, I think it is like a water container. Yeah.
That's really handy for, I suppose, anyone that goes to the gym, which isn't me.
I guess so, yeah.
It's not the gym. We do see people holding cups on the side, don't we? I always think that's a bit strange in the swimming pool. And that t-shirt there is $34.99. It's really nice and calm in here. I like it in here. We like these. It's a Turvis mug, a stainless steel one, and you flick it up and you've got your drink. I really like that. We've actually got Blake, the big Mickey Mouse one, not the flower and garden one, because we thought he'd like that. Oh, what's that? Little magnet.
2090. I'll buy you that.
Oh, thank you. What's the price on that? $9.99. You really like the trash cans, didn't you?
I think they're very, very good. Yeah. Very, very good. I didn't realise what they were at first, but...
Yeah, like little salt and pepper.
Yeah, and the price I'm looking for, there we go.
$9.99.
That's actually good. Yeah,
that's very nice. You got the mugs. Turn up the fun. I like that. I like that. A little bag, loads of bags. Oh, who have you got this? A lawn statue. Oh, that's really pretty. It's goofy. Pretty goofy inside there. Very nice. And then over here, you got the last. Oh, Mickey. And then over here, you've got the other Spirit jersey. You've got the Lilac Lemonade ears. And then down here, I haven't looked at this. So you've got There you go, you've got your lilac lemonade keychain. And here, oh, you've got a little bag. We all know how much I like little bags. Isn't that cute? And that is $17.99. So I like that. Some socks there for $14.99.
And Karen thought that's a great little disguise for alcohol. I mean,
isn't that a great size for a drink, a service drink?
Yes,
of
put
booze.
alcohol. Yeah, so those are lovely. Yeah.
$19.99. Oh, you could buy me one of them then. No, I'm joking. And some nice little tops. Yeah, lovely. Surprise! I've got crisps in my mouth. That's a surprise. We were exhausted, absolutely exhausted, weren't we?
Yeah, we came away from Epcot earlier than we'd planned to, but we're on day 2, and the jet lag, it does kick in day 2, day 3.
And we worked out, we've done 5 miles walking today, and we shattered, absolutely shattered. I think until you're used to it, it takes a couple of days to work your legs in.
Yeah, it does. Yeah,
your feet.
It does. Yeah, it does.
And my big feet.
Oh yeah.
I'm sucking the bits out my teeth as I'm talking, I'm so sorry. So we came back, we got changed, we booked a restaurant, we cancelled a restaurant, and we're eating in the hotel, and we're in Harry's restaurant, Harry's bar, in the Rosen Centre. So this is what we've ordered for a start, because we're feeling very health conscious. So we've got the potato chip snacks, which are barbecue with an alioli dip, which is like a garlic mayonnaise. So yeah, we're having those to start with, and then I'll show you our burgers when they arrive. I'll be doing a full tour of the hotel, but yeah, as yet I haven't, but I just wanted to show you what we can eat in the hotel. Thank you. So my veggie burger's just arrived. Doesn't that look fabulous? With some sweet potato fries, and Phil's had a turkey burger with some yucca fries, and I think that's got garlic seasoning on.
Yeah, and pineapple. It's a Jamaican turkey burger. Pineapple.
Looks very nice. Looking forward to this, and this is just hotel food. How fabulous.
If you are going to Flight of Passage, travelers, you're going to be staying to the right-hand side. If you are going to Navi River Journey, you're going to the left-hand side. We're going to be making a very, very, very slow progression, folks. Please stay behind the cast members. Do not run us over. We like being alive just as much as you are. Is everyone ready to go? Yeah!